Visit us on onestepenglish.com.
Hello. Welcome to English Conversation course of One Step English.
Today, we are talking about argue a point.
I've called you here to talk about the selection of a new director for the customer service department. As you know, so far there are only two candidates, Martha Bolton and Juliet Morgan. First, I'd like to hear your comments, both pro and con, about Martha's qualifications for this position.
Well, I think Martha is the perfect person for this position. She's been with the company for 20 years, so she knows the business inside out. She's conservative and serious, plus she gets along with everybody.
So far. So far indicates what has happened between the beginning of something and the present time. Pro. Pro can refer to the positive characteristics or position in an argument. Con. Con refers to the negative characteristics or position in an argument. Inside out. Inside out indicates a thorough knowledge of something.
Yikes. In my opinion, if she becomes director, nothing will change. I mean, we wouldn't see anything new, just the opposite. We'd keep on implementing the same programs as always.
She isn't known for thinking outside the box. What's more, we'd start to see our current customer base fall off, simply because our competitors have enthusiastic new people and innovative programs. I'm just saying.
Yikes. Yikes is an expression that indicates surprise, either good or bad. I mean, introduces an explanation or further comment on what was previously said. Keep on. To keep on means to continue or not stop. It is followed by a verb in ing form. Think outside the box. To think outside the box means to be creative, or to always have new ideas for solving problems. Fall off. Fall off means to decline, or be reduced. Just saying. Just saying is an expression that is intended to subtly show the speaker's desire that you consider something just suggested. I have to agree with Julie and Joshua on this one. In the first place, Martha is too conservative, plus she'd hardly inspire any enthusiasm among the employees.
Anybody else want to put their 2 cents in? Okay. Then let's talk about Juliet Morgan. What do you guys think?
Hardly. Hardly means almost not at all. Put one's 2 cents in. To put one's 2 cents in means to offer one's opinion. You guys. You guys is an informal way to address more than one person.
Look, if Juliet gets this job, it will be a total disaster for the company. In the first place, her fancy degree isn't worth squat because she has zero experience. Besides, we don't even know her very well. Good grief, she's only been here since March, and to top it all off, we all know that she was fired from her last job.
Really? I've heard that her coworkers think she's a bit uppity, like she thinks she's the queen of the office. She's not exactly popular with the other employees. I don't think they'd be happy with her as the boss. Total. Total, when used as an adjective before a noun, means complete. Squat. Squat means nothing at all. Zero. Zero, when used before a noun, means no amount of. Good grief. Good grief is an expression that indicates mild displeasure. Since. Since can indicate the beginning of a time period that extends to now. Really. Really indicates agreement with what was said before. A bit uppity. To be a bit uppity means to act as if you were superior to other people. Not exactly. Not exactly, when used before an adjective, means hardly.
Well, since I put her name up, I have to say that I see her as a very bright and competent person. Still, I recognize that she lacks experience. And now that you tell me that her personality could cause friction among the employees, then I'll go along with your decision in this case.
Obviously, we haven't found the ideal person to handle this job. We may have to look outside the company, which I don't particularly want to do. We'll meet here tomorrow at the same time. I'll expect your suggestions, and they'd better be more promising.
Since. Since means because, indicating convenience. Put someone's name up. To put someone's name up means to nominate someone for a position or office. Still. Still indicates that what follows is contrary to, and more important than what preceded it. Friction. Friction can mean unrest, difficulty, or disagreement between two or more people. Go along with. To go along with means to accept an idea or decision. Obviously. Obviously indicates that what is going to be said is already known by the listener or listeners. Handle. To handle means to do whatever necessary to perform a duty in a satisfactory way. Had better. Had better indicates a warning, and implies that if something isn't done, there will be negative consequences.
Let's test your knowledge.
Choose the letter of the correct word or expression that best completes the following sentences.
One. Don't stop now. You need to, blank. A. B. Stuck up. B. Keep on trying. The correct answer is letter B. Keep on trying. Don't stop now. You need to keep on trying. 2. We need to work harder to keep our profits from blank. A. Keeping on. B. Falling off. The correct answer is letter B. Falling off. We need to work harder to keep our profits from falling off. 3. I'd like to get to know her, but she seems to be blank. A. A bit uppity. B. Thinking outside the box. The correct answer is letter A. A bit uppity. I'd like to get to know her, but she seems to be a bit uppity. 4. This is a big project. Do you think you can blank? A. Fall off it. B. Handle it. The correct answer is letter B. Handle it. This is a big project. Do you think you can handle it? 5. I've heard everybody's opinion except yours. It's time for you to blank. A. Put your 2 cents in. B. Think outside the box. The correct answer is letter A. Put your 2 cents in. I've heard everybody's opinion except yours. It's time for you to put your 2 cents in. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.